Algebra 2, here you go. Figured I'd start you off with the most advanced equations I can show you that need logs in order to get solved. So here we go, the big beastie here on number 10. Negative 10 times 13 to the 3x minus 3 plus 9 equals negative 31. Oh my God, I'll never be able to solve that, is the first thought that probably went through your mind. I would remind you, don't panic. Definitely don't panic. And I would encourage you to identify your variable as well. My variable here is x, trapped up in the exponent. Anytime I see that, I'm going to kind of lump the base in right there with it. So this is all what I'm trying to get by itself. Let's do it. Let's minus 9. All right, I got negative 10 times the whole box equals negative 40. I'm going to divide by negative 10. And I've got that this box equals 4. All right? That was really all I had to do to simplify this equation quite a bit. Inside the box, we have 13 to the 3x minus 3. At this point, we don't really need the box. But I do have a variable stuck up in a tree. And anytime I want to get something down out of a tree, I just break out the old chainsaw, and I take the log of both sides. Log here with a log here. Swing that exponent out front. I have 3x minus 3 times log of 13 equals log of 4. Get the handy-dandy calculator. And you can see now we're trying to solve for x. We're just going to divide away the log of 13 and then do a couple more inverse operations to get our final answer. All right, so here we go. What do I need to do? Close that, make that look nicer. Let's take the log of 4, make sure you close this parentheses, divide that by the log of 13. We'll close that, and we have it for our first decimal answer. Let's go 0.54. I now know that 3x minus 3 equals 0.54. I can add this 3 over. 3x equals 3.54. And we'll finish off by dividing away 3. So let's see that, plus 3, and then divide it by 3. Altogether, very, very exciting stuff. X equals 1.18. X equals 1.18. All right, what I'm going to ask you to do here is try to pause the video and just try to solve out this whole equation right there. Don't panic. See what you think you should do to solve out that entire equation, and then once you've answered a couple of my questions, you can watch the rest of the video and see how we would solve this one out. Okay? All right, so you're back, and hopefully you're watching. I'm minusing 10. 6 times 2 to the negative 7b minus 10 equals 50. I'm dividing 6. 2 to the negative 7b minus 10 equals, well, 50 over 6 is just going to stay like that. Now I'm ready to take out the chainsaw, log them both. This comes out front. Negative 7b minus 10 times log of 2 equals log of 50 over 6. That's not an 80, that's a 50. And let's go to the calculator now. I am going to take log of 50 over 6 divided by the log of 2. I'm pretty close now. I'm going to need to add 10. And then divide negative 7, and I should get a final answer of b equaling negative 1.86. b equals negative 1.86. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.